Are you having issues with ChatGPT not being available in your country? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So as you can see, I'm currently on my ChatGPT account right now on my mobile. So basically, the thing is that if you get this like exact error message on your mobile, for example, then I've actually seen this work for some of my friends. What you can do is to actually just switch to your computer instead. So if you get this error message on your mobile phone, then just try it on your computer instead and see if that will work, because for some reason that sometimes actually does fix this issue. Well, if that still does not fix your issue, or if you don't have a computer, then number two solution will be to actually get some kind of VPN services. So if you don't have a VPN already, just fix one if you can, of course, and basically just change your country through a VPN, and that should fix this issue for you. Basically almost like a guarantee. Of course, there's no 100% guarantee that this will actually work, but if you do switch on your VPN to a country that does support ChatGPT, then that should actually, basically fix this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.